Hey friends, if you wish to fix Google Chrome black screen problems on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, one is the black boxes problem, and the black screen problem is different. You'll see that most of the screen is black except for the menus. So before anything else, the first thing is to disable all extensions because I know that the dark theme extension causes this problem. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extensions and manage extensions. Disable any problematic extension, and if it helps the problem, then remove it. The next solution is to disable graphics acceleration. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Now you will have to search for acceleration. Okay, there is an option here which says use graphic acceleration when available. Uncheck it, and then you'll have to relaunch the browser. Okay, and that is done, and it will also fix the problem. Though I think that the main issue is with the dark theme extensions. And lastly, you can reset Chrome, obviously, and that will definitely fix the problem. So on the same page, on the same settings page, you'll find the reset settings tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select restore settings to original defaults and select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.